All right, guys, I want to talk about two things today. I want to just do a real quick recap of how my last week went because it was week ending of April. So I just want to make sure I just say a quick thing about that. And I want to tell you what my month total was. I'm doing really, really well. I'm very pleased with this month. And that was trading, nearly all of that was trading stocks in ThinkOrSwim. Now, some of you may know if you've watched my videos, I also trade a little bit in NinjaTrader. I trade futures. And the only reason why I don't trade futures in ThinkOrSwim is because the commission is just a little higher. And I really want to get good at trading futures as well as stocks. And the volume I plan on doing in the future, I would just rather be over at NinjaTrader. So I have an issue though. I'm having a problem inside the two ears here in this area. I am so afraid to lose money that it's costing me money. And I think a lot of you who trade probably understand what I'm saying. I don't have a problem losing money in ThinkOrSwim. 4 years ago when I started trading, I put a large sum of money into a day trading account and I just said, that's it. That's your college education. That's the full tuition. You've got however many years it takes you to blow through it and that's all you get. And I just knew, oh, that's my fun money. I don't live on it. I don't rely on it. And it was a set amount and I've done well with it. You know, I mean, I've burned through some of it obviously in those 4 years, but I've hit this plateau where now I'm starting to be profitable. But in NinjaTrader, I never fully dove into the futures. I would just dabble and I'm doing well, but I'm not doing well enough. I'm too scared. I just keep losing money. I'd make a little and then I lose, and I make a little and I lose. So two things I've done, and I'm going to start putting this in my videos going forward, mixed in with my ThinkOrSwim trading, because I'll be doing both. I started a Topstep combine. Now I'm a 60-year-old lady. I'm probably saying all of this wrong. Don't bash me in the comments, because just the fact that I'm trying a Topstep combine and even have tried to figure out what that means is a lot. So I signed up for the combine this morning. I went through all the crap you got to go through to get it set up. I spent the morning setting up the chart, hooking up a practice account with it so that I can at least practice using the actual platform, because it's another platform I got to use. Now, thank God, Topstep is very similar to TradingView, so it's fine. I'm used to TradingView. So I took a few trades. I'm up $10 just practicing with their bracket orders. So I think I'm ready. Sunday night when the futures markets open, I'm going to go ahead and do practicing so I want to get quicker at their layout and the buttons and, you know, buying and selling and just seeing it. And then Monday, I'll probably do the same. I'm still going to be trading stocks as well. I'll be doing both. But I'm going to take you on that journey with me and just see what happens. I got to dive into a little more. I looked at it, but I don't really understand it. I get to a certain point and then I can do a payout or something like that. I'm really doing it more for the rules because something in my head is going on and I'm so scared to lose money that I think if it's this combine and it's not my money, but it's someone else's money or fake money or whatever it is, but there's rules, I kind of feel like it's that nice in between where it's not my money, but I still have to follow rules. I can't gamble. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited for that journey. And I'll start that probably Monday and showing you just a little quick what I do. I'm not going to be trading a ton. All right, the second thing I did was I have read, you know how I love books. I've read this book so many times, but it's been 2 years, and I can tell that I need it right now to get me through futures. I need to get past my fear of losing money in futures. Here's the book, Best Loser Wins. I know many of you have read it. If you haven't, I highly recommend it. When I was having a hard time losing money in stocks and it was holding me back from being profitable, I read this book, and I also have it on audio tape, so I listen to it while I'm driving. This book's amazing, just amazing. And I think this is going to help me now. I really need it. And you guys, I don't know what my issue is. The money I have in NinjaTrader is still fun money. It's the same as the day trading account in ThinkOrSwim, but it's such a small amount that I put in there that I think I'm so scared that it'll get down that it'll just be gone. And I don't want to refund that account. I just have it in my head that I don't want to put any more money in there. Maybe next year, but right now I wanted it to be a very small account and I want to take it up. So we'll see if this helps. I would love it if you put in the comments if there's any book you read or anything you did that helps you get past this fear of losing money, because it is holding me back. I do know that September 8th was my turning point last year of making money in stocks. And what happened was on September 8th, I had a massive loss. It was a $2,000 loss. It was huge. And I was sick to my stomach. I had a hard time sleeping. And when I woke up the next morning, something clicked in my brain. And I realized I don't live on that money. That was my day trading account. I'm still alive. And there was still some money in the account. And nothing happened. It was like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's something triggered. And that's when I started having my best days ever. Now, I'm not saying go out and lose $2,000, but what I am saying for me, I had to see, instead of taking tiny little paper cuts every day and losing every day little bits, because I was too afraid to take a shot and actually take a trade and not move my stop and just have it play out. That day I let things play out, and I overdid it obviously on that day. But something happened and I came back the next day and I actually started trading normally like I should. And I followed my trades well and I let them play out. And I had normal stops and sometimes I'd get stopped out. So I'm hoping that the rules in Topstep might allow me, and knowing that it's not my real money, but yet it is money because it's moving up in the combine. So anyways, I'm hoping that works. I don't want to make this a lengthy video. Let me know how you've handled it. If you've been through this, if you are in it, it's just a tough spot to be psychologically. And that is the hardest part about trading, is the psychological aspect. And it is holding me back big. I'm just tired of being held back. I'm tired of wasting time in Ninja Trader making 20 bucks and then losing 10 and 20. And it's just this tiny amount. And I know I'm holding myself back. All right, enough of the blah, 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 woe is me. I'm taking steps to better myself and I hope it works. All right, you guys, please let me know in the comments if you've dealt with this or if I'm overthinking it, which I probably am. Okay, bye. Happy weekend.